Everyone, welcome to the Back 40 Feet, where we talk about suburban, urban, and patio gardening. And today I'm talking about compost, which is why I'm looking a little disheveled, is I'm turning out the compost and sifting it. So let's look at the composters. This is called a batch composter, and it spins. Basically, you put one big batch in and spin it, and after a few weeks you have compost. You can add to it over time, but then you're always going to just have compost in different moments of decomposing. So, it's really good for batch. What I do is I have a bin composter, which you can see here, and I can continue to add to this, but then there is a door on the bottom that I will take the compost out and put it in the batch composter for sort of like a last moment cooking. And you can see the difference is in here, that's garbage. And in here, that's just black gold. And I know that this is done because all I smell in here is dirt. It doesn't smell like any type of decay. It just is very earth smelling. The other thing I have by my compost bins is an aerator that has an end to it, and I put this in the compost bin to help stir air into the compost. So I've opened the door to the compost bin, and here at the bottom you can see that this really does look very close to being done for dirt. But you can also see in here that there are some things that aren't decomposed, like that's a cherry tomato. I can make it out pretty well. And over here you can see that some plants have started to sprout. What that's telling me is that this compost did not get hot enough to kill seeds. You really need, I think, about 135 degrees Fahrenheit within your compost to make sure you kill all the seeds. If I use this and I put it in my garden, it's just going to sprout, and now I'm going to have weeds that I'm going to be having to deal with for the rest of the summer. So this is going to go into the batch composter and finish cooking. So I've taken some shovels out of the compost and put it here on my sifting screen, and you can really see it's just dirt, but some of this fibrous material, it takes a little longer to break down. So you could either discard that, or what I prefer to do is put it back into the compost bin, and it helps to seed the next batch of compost because I know that it has all the bacteria and fungi that are needed. I also like to keep a bucket nearby for anything that I don't think is going to decompose. Sort of one of the biggest offenders is sometimes there's stickers like you see on a banana or something that just doesn't decompose, so that way I can still have some trash.